Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So a new year, same type of videos. I've been wanting this sneaker for a while because it really looks like the one from the thumbnail, which is not the one that I got. Sorry for the clickbait. But this looks extremely similar. Also, this was on a very good sale. It was even cheaper on this website, so I got it again and returned the first order. It was a big whole thing. I don't want to promote this website or talk about it. A very trash website. So let's get into it. I have the box right here. We're going to do an actual unboxing. Check out my real carbon fiber pocket knife. So this is perfect for unboxings. What do we have here? There you go. Small classic Converse box. Yo. And the sneaker I got is this Converse Chuck Taylor 70 OX. As you can clearly see, it kind of looks like that off-white and Converse. And you already know I'm going to customize these into a version of that off-white sneaker. I'm extremely excited about it. I have some sketches. I'm not going to do a review of these because there's already a review of a Converse sneaker on my channel, and these are pretty much the same, well, except for the colorway and the materials. What a clean sneaker. Really nicely made as expected. You already know this midsole will turn yellow. That's unavoidable. I'm going to show you some on feet. Stick around because I'm going to turn these at one point into an off-white alternative. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.